guys, welcome our Baba kitchen. So I hope everybody is doing awesome. Today I am so excited, guys. And no bapa menia pa hu bapa. I know so they be or she's excited, but today it is extraordinary, guys. I am so happy to share with you my favorite of all time recipe. Trust me, you're not gonna eat even the one in Ghana. You are just gonna fall in love with this, okay? Because this is fresh, you know, it is good, very nutritious, delicious. This is what you want, right? Yeah. So guys, I finally found my Tom Brown recipe. So if you want to learn how I made this popular Ghanaian cereal, okay, that everybody enjoys, stay tuned, watch the video to the fullest. Don't go nowhere. And before you go, don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe this video, okay? Love you guys. Let's get started. To make your Tom Brown, you're going to need organic whole soya beans, okay? As you can see, I have these soya beans. I ordered it from Amazon and I just love it. And second, we are going to use wheat, okay? We all know wheat. You have ate wheat before. This is organic wheat, okay? So make sure you use this type. Next, we are going to use roasted peanut powder, okay? I ordered this one from Amazon as well, guys. If you know how to make your own, feel free and do it, but if not, you can get it from Amazon or Walmart or your local store for a very reasonable price. And make sure you buy organic. And also, guys, if you don't want to go through the stress, or you know, you just can order another roasted soya bean, okay, online. This one is also roasted. I just ordered this one just in case, you know, if I want to make some milk, or if I just want to, you know, enjoy more Tom Brown, so I don't have to go through the stress. So this is just an option for you guys. So next, if you have your Ninja blender like I do, make sure you use the Ultra Blend, okay? In that way, it's gonna blend this into fine, okay? A bit so powdery, like so nice. Trust me, guys, you need that. But if you don't have it, make sure you use your normal blender. So I have my Ninja blender. I'm going to add about 1 cup of wheat, okay? Yeah, make sure you add your wheat. And also I'm going to add a half cup of soya beans, okay? Yeah. And now we are going to cover it and then we're just gonna let it blend. Like I said, make sure you use the Ultra Blend if you are using the Ninja blender. Alright guys, so after everything is well blended, alright guys, so in a clean plastic bowl we are going to lay some cheese cloth, okay? I'm using cheesecloth. As you can see, I'm using just 1 layer, okay? Yeah, so for the start we have to use it this way, and we're going to strain this very well. Yeah, because you have to strain it. If you don't do it very well, you're gonna get some pieces in there and you're gonna call me and you're gonna say, Bapa, my Tom Brown did not turn out so what should I do? Make sure you strain it very well. It is very important, guys. So after everything is well strained, guys, you're gonna do it one more time, okay? So we're going to repeat the same procedure, but this time I am going to use 2 cheesecloth. Like you see it right here, I'm using 2 of them. Yeah, so that way you will get a very fine consistency that you want. Make sure you do it this way, or if you have your own strainer, guys, please make sure you use it, okay? That way, you know, it will be faster. Probably you don't have to repeat it twice, you know. Yeah, it will be faster for you. So this is how it feels or after everything is strained. Yeah, but still I get a little bit in there that I have to finish it. So in a medium heat, I am going to place my pan in there and we are going to start roasting this mixture right here. Yeah, you have to roast them to make a delicious Tom Brown, guys. You have to make sure you roast it, and then to tell that it is done, you're gonna smell it right away. So we're going to roast it for about 7 minutes. Yeah. So right now you can smell the flavor of the Tom Brown coming out just like that. Okay, it looks really nice. Alright, so in another bowl I am going to add my peanut powder. This is the best time to add your peanut butter, but before, I am going to strain it again, because for some reason when I ordered this online, it came, and when I felt it, it feels like it has like little pieces, in there, little chunks. It's supposed to be like a powder consistency, but I don't know what happened, but it got like pieces that I don't really want. So I'm going to strain it one more time to get the pieces out. So right now I am using just 1 cup. Okay, if you are making more, then you can use more peanuts. Okay, or you can use more peanut butter, but I'm making, just a little bit for me and my hubby, so I don't need a lot. So you see the pieces, we're just gonna throw it away because we don't need it. And here is my Tom Brown right here. Yeah, so right now I'm going to strain that one and add it to it, and that will be good to go. So next, we're just gonna give a very good stir, and that is it. This is your homemade Ghana Tom Brown. Papa B. Wankasa waya wadi. As you can see, it is smelling so delicious. And guys, always remember that the original Ghana Tom Brown does not contain roasted corn. So if you go to the market and then they sell you roasted corn Tom Brown, trust me, that is not the original Tom Brown. This is the local original Tom Brown from the hospital. Yeah, this is very, very healthy for you. So I just want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, you are going to love this recipe, and I will see you soon, guys. Stay safe and have a very, very good weekend. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy your Tom Brown. Alright, guys, bye.